My beloved child, you may feel tired. You may feel like the weight of life is crushing your spirit. You wonder if anyone sees you, hears you, or even cares. But I do. I've always seen you. I've always been near, through your silent tears, your quiet prayers, and even in your loudest doubts. I didn't come to call the perfect. I came for the weary, the hurting, the lost. You don't have to pretend with me. I know every scar on your soul and every battle you fought alone. And still, I choose you. I love you. Not for what you've done, but for who you are, my creation, my child. You think your past disqualifies you. No. It's the very reason I came. I came to redeem what the world said was worthless. I came to restore what you thought was beyond repair. I came to give you life, not just survival, but full, meaningful, joyful life. When others walk away, I stay. When your strength runs out, I become your strength. When you fall, I lift you. When you cry, I hold every tear. I know the plans I have for you, plans to give you hope, a future, and purpose. Not just someday, but starting now. Let me into your heart. Walk with me daily. You don't have to carry everything alone anymore. I'm not angry with you. I'm not disappointed. I'm not far. I am here. I am with you. I will never leave you. So rise up. You were not made to live in fear, in shame, or in chains. You were made to be free. You were made for love. You were made for more. Take my hand. I've walked your path. I've felt your pain. And through every moment ahead, I promise you this. I will be there. Always.